Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll delve into a fascinating problem surrounding the IDE0028 analyzer in C number 12. The issue at hand revolves around the collection initialization simplification analyzer feature and how it determines when to suggest a fix for certain initializers, such as new list string, new collection it, and more. We'll explore how the fixer decides to recommend changes and what it means by may change semantics. It's a bit of a puzzle, but fear not, we'll break it down together. Now, let's talk about the solution to the problem we just discussed. The key lies in understanding the may change semantics warning and the type of collection the compiler uses when encountering. The rules governing collection type selection are outlined in the construction and collection literal translation sections of the feature specification. For concrete classes, the collection literal creates an instance using its parameterless constructor and then adds elements to it. Interfaces like IE0028 offer more flexibility, leading to potential semantic changes. Mutable interfaces like ICollectionT dictate a specific collection type, like list_t. Lastly, IDictionary_k isn't supported by collection literals. To sum things up, we've uncovered the inner workings of the IDE0028 analyzer and its implications on collection initialization and C number 12. It's crucial to grasp the nuances behind when to accept the analyzer's recommendations and what they entail. With that, I hope you found this exploration both enlightening and enjoyable. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!